Start with the name of Allah, who is most beneficial and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Shahar Banu, a researcher leading various projects in the Organic Synthetic Lab under the supervision of Dr. MuhammadIbrahim at the Department of Applied Chemistry, GCUF. As part of our research in synthetic organic chemistry, we often encounter data that requires smoothing and refinement. Today, I will be discussing some techniques on how to smooth rough data, specifically in FTIR spectroscopy. FTIR utilizes a mathematical process to convert raw data into readable spectrum. However, this spectrum can also be rough and require smoothing. Let's start by opening the rough FTIR data file. First, I will open my Excel file containing the FTIR data. I will select one of the data which is named as SA30. First row represents the wave number denoted as A and the other one is the B, which is denoted as transmittance data. So I will select the entire row of A by clicking on it and then press Ctrl C. Next I will open the Origin Pro. I will select the X and Y blocks, where X and Y are two types of data. The X represents the wave number and Y represents the transmittance value. So I will click on the AX value. To import the data, I will click on AY at top and press Ctrl V. Then I will go back to the Excel file and I will click on the top of the B and click Ctrl C. Copy and go towards the Origin Pro. Click on BY and press Ctrl V. After selecting both rows, move towards the left bottom corner. There's types of graph which you want to draw, that can be line, horizontal, vertical step. Click on the line graph. The resulting graph represents the rough FTIR data. To smooth this data, I will go to the analysis value and move towards the signal processing and smooth, and then leads to the open dialog. In the dialog box, I can adjust the number of points in the window to achieve the desired level of smoothing. As I increase the points in the window, the data will become smoother. However, for accurate FTIR analysis, we will use a window size of 25 to 30 points. And click on OK. Now I will remove the previous graph by clicking on the graph, place the cursor on it, and then this dialog will be open. Now we have to set the wave number value. Click on it and move towards the scale, and the starting value will be 4000. Why? Because we know that the FTIR range is 4000 to 400 per centimeter for accurate analyzing the data. So the starting value will be 4000 and the end value will be 500 or 400. You can select any and then click on OK. Now reset the X's and Y headings by clicking on it. So place the cursor on it at the end of the bracket and rewrite your heading, transmittance. Same as with the wave number. Rewrite it again. Clean this spectra by backspace. You can also change the transmittance value for more smoothing the data. As I changing this, starting value is 35 or 30. And click on OK. Now your data is very smooth. For saving this graph, move towards the PPT point which is shown in the purple color. Click on it and without any changings, click on OK. your graph will import file. Graph is saved. Now if you want to how to locate functional groups using FTIR spectroscopy, please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching and feel free to ask any questions.